6 weeks, guys. Well, really technically going on to 7 weeks, but it's been nearly 7 weeks since I made my last upload to my YouTube channel. So what this video really is, it's just kind of really an update on what's been happening and what's going on and where my channel is going to be going from here on out in the future. First things first, I want to start off with the reason why I haven't been as active as I would like to be on my YouTube channel. With so much going on with the whole COVID-19 and this police brutality and everything, it's just kind of really hard to focus on my YouTube channel with all of that going on. And I think it would have been more selfish if I were to completely ignore it and continue to create more YouTube videos. So I just been giving my attention and been listening to what's been happening currently in the world and nationwide, of course. And it just gives me a whole new perspective on everything and what's happening. This is not a political bias rant or anything, I promise you that. It's just, I'm just kind of really taking a back seat and just really observing and listening to what's going on. And it really has worn me out mentally. And I decided, I just need a pause on this because this is just overwhelming and it's a lot. Other thing, family matters. Life happens, and that's when you need to really pause on everything and focus on your family. I want to be there for my family and just give them all the attention that is needed and be there for them during this time and within our personal family as well, just to be there for them. And so those were two things that were the reason why it kept me away from the YouTube channel. And I just feel like that this is more important to be part of that versus creating more videos right now. So with that being said, I did my YouTube channel check-in and just to see what's been going on my channel. And when I logged into my account, I was really surprised to see the uptick of subscribers. And it really did surprise me, especially for being on a 7-week hiatus. Just the uptick on subscribers and the overwhelming amount of support that I've been getting from my new subscribers as well. And I just want to throw this out there right now. I actually don't like the word subscribers or followers. I really fucking hate that. The way I see it is, I love the Overland community. It means everything to me. It's something that I'm very passionate about, and I just want to hold on to that dearly. So the way I see it is, I don't see you guys as subscribers. I see you guys as family members. Overland community to me is a big family hub. And so to my new family members and old who are still continuing to support me, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me that you guys are still sticking around and supporting me, even though I haven't been pushing out as much content. But the feedback I've been getting is really encouraging, and it motivates me more and pushes that drive to create more content and get back into the reason why I started this channel, because I love overlanding, I love travel, I love exploring, I love meeting new people. And so your support has been super overwhelming. And another surprise is one of my recent video uploads, which was the Pedal Commander installer and review video, has hit 5,000 views. And I was actually really taken back by that, because I really didn't think that I would actually hit 5,000 views in such a short amount of time. And just looking at the comments and seeing the family members giving feedback, new suggestions, and are subscribing to my channel, I mean, that means a lot to me. So to you guys, this is for you. Look me in the eye. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It really does. So now for the for two new updates. One, I got a new workbench, so I'm pretty excited about this. I've been organizing my garage more and more to make it fit more to me, so it's a spacious workflow to continue working on tutorials, installations, and so forth. And having a new workbench, I like it. Good aesthetic and looks better on camera rather than that white plastic table. So this is where I will be doing installations on minor things, reviews, and so forth, talk, whatever it may be. Next thing, I got a new modification on my 4Runner, and I'm very, very, very happy about it. And this video will be coming up soon. However, I did it a little bit differently. It's not an installation video, it's more of a montage video, and having the installation guys, instead of me, at RSG Off-Road here in Colorado in Denver, they installed it for me, and I learned a lot of new things about working with tools and about the 4Runner and the off-roading community, and they're very cool about letting me come into their workshop and film. And Alan, who installed my modification, did a tremendous job, and I applaud him for that. And he just looks amazing on camera too, just stunning. So that video is gonna be coming up pretty soon. I promise that. It's partially almost done. Just got to do a few more tweaks and get back on the Adobe Premiere to make those final edits. But those are the two big things that happened since this channel, since I last updated this channel. Now the question is, where do I go with this channel next? From the 7 weeks I was on hiatus, I really took a step back and kind of really thought about where and what would my channel would look like in the next year, 5, and so forth, and just really was looking how I can improve my channel. The installation tutorials I will still do because I love learning more about my 4Runner and other people's vehicles, and I don't want to just limit it to my 4Runner. If anyone who's watching right now, who's getting into the off-roading community and has a different modification from my current build that they want to install, I'll be more than happy to help them out and film a tutorial on that specific modification that I don't have on my 4Runner, but they're putting on their 4Runner, so, and so on and so forth. Next, after seeing that overwhelming positive response and views on the pedal commander, I now know for sure that reviews are everything, and I will be reviewing more products. More products in the future. Everyone really loved that video, so I took that feedback, and I would like to be getting some small products, modifications, whatever it may be, and start reviewing those as well. Next, I've been thinking about this for a long time, and I am for sure dead set on it. I would love to do trail reporting. Now, I know that could be very controversial because I know people don't want more people to be on the trails. That's fair enough, but my argument is, there's trail books out there already that show all the trails out there and whatnot. So I don't think a trail report video can really do any harm at this point. And I just like to document and go into detail step by step, turn by turn on a trail from point A to point B. And it gives me an excuse to go out on the trails and hold the camera more and get really creative with that. So I would like to work on that. That's an objective and goal of mine for this channel. I think it could be tremendous. Lastly, vlog. I like to do more daily vlogs, more personal, in-depth, because I want you guys to really get to know me, who I am as a person, and I just want to have a personal connection with you, my family, of this channel. So eventually I would like to do a daily vlog, not daily vlog, but like a weekend vlog or so forth whenever I get the chance to do that. And speaking of vlog, I have been going on the trails. I have not been documenting, like filming wise, because one of my friends who I've met up with, he's been doing the whole vlog thing, and I can tell you right now, he will blow me and any other person who's doing off-roading vlogs out of the water. He is genuinely crafted and gifted with the camera, storytelling, cinematography, and whatnot. And a couple weeks ago, we were in Long Gulch Water up in Colorado Springs, and we made a weekend there. And this was actually the first time I met him, and that's when a bromance bloomed. Right then there on the trail. First time meeting him, and he's just really awesome, and he really gets in there with the camera. And the end result from the latest vlog was just tremendous, and love the music, love the cinematography, and he did an exceptional job. So his name is Jason. His channel right here and his Instagram, he goes by the name of Oxfoot. Highly recommend you guys follow him. He's great, very genuine guy, and we're hoping to do a collab together. We realized that, you know, it was great to do it go off-roading that weekend, but we like to take our time when it comes to film work, because we really want to get those awesome shots and take the time to perfect the craft of cinematography whenever we're on the trails, and you know, we don't want it to be rushed during that. So a collab is definitely on the horizon. I cannot wait for that. I think it's just gonna be tremendous. And that really goes about it, guys. That's really my update and where I've been for the past 7 weeks, and where we're gonna go from here. But again, for those who are new or old, to my family members, I can't thank you enough for being there and supporting me and giving me great feedback and new suggestions on what I should take as well and focus on. It really motivates me to want to get back on this channel, and that's what I plan on doing. So that really completes it, guys. Please stay safe out there. It's very interesting times we're living in. Please be safe. That's my main focus and my message to you guys. And support each other. You know, be safe, support each other, and we'll get through this together as a nation and around the world, of course, as well. So thanks, guys. Till next time, stay gold.